Most expensive cars in the world. Welcome to my channel. The world's most expensive cars represent the epitome of automotive luxury and performance, embodying unparalleled craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. These hypercars showcase rarity, speed, and exclusivity. Priced in the millions, these limited edition marvels redefine automotive opulence, appealing to collectors and enthusiasts who seek the pinnacle of driving excellence. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 5. Lamborghini Sian. The Lamborghini Sian stands among the world's most expensive cars, showcasing a unique blend of performance and innovation. Priced at approximately $3.6 million, it epitomizes luxury and speed. This limited edition hybrid supercar boasts a V12 engine paired with advanced hybrid technology, delivering a remarkable 819 horsepower. With cutting-edge design elements and exclusive features, the Lamborghini Sian represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and opulence, attracting enthusiasts and collectors seeking the utmost in prestige and performance. Number 4. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus ranks among the world's most expensive cars, priced at around $3.5 million. Renowned for its record-breaking top speed, this hypercar boasts a quad-turbo V16 engine, delivering unmatched performance. Its aerodynamic design, carbon fiber construction, and luxurious interior contribute to its exclusivity. With a limited production run, the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, embodying Bugatti's commitment to speed, precision, and unparalleled craftsmanship in the realm of high-performance supercars. Number 3. Pagani Huayra Roadster BC. The Pagani Huayra Roadster BC stands as one of the world's most expensive cars, priced at around $3.5 million. This bespoke hypercar is celebrated for its lightweight design, aerodynamic prowess, and a robust V12 engine, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. With limited production, it represents an exclusive and high-performance masterpiece within the realm of ultra-luxurious sports cars. Number 2. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta secures its place among the world's most expensive cars, commanding a price of around $17.5 million. This exclusive hypercar is a bespoke creation from Pagani, featuring a distinctive design, powerful performance, and an open-top configuration. Limited to just 3 units, it represents a pinnacle of exclusivity and luxury in the elite realm of high-performance hypercars. Number 1. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire reigns as one of the world's most expensive cars, commanding a staggering price of around $18.68 million. This limited edition hypercar is a testament to automotive extravagance, featuring a quad-turbo V16 engine and a striking design that blends power with elegance. With only 1 unit produced, the La Voiture Noire exemplifies exclusivity and craftsmanship, embodying Bugatti's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance and luxury in the elite world of hypercars. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.